Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar, IAM Tongi. You heard about him, American Idol winner. And this song is called Era Bini Tu. Don't ask me what that means, but anyway, it's a great song here. And I really dig his voice. There's a bass there and depth to that one. And yes, let's learn this song together. Very easy to play, guys. Use this capo here based on the second fret there. You just need to, cause it's that much easier many times to use capo and yeah, use easier chords with that. So capo on second, that's what we're gonna have for this one, and 3 chords, that's what we need. Let's take a look at the chords. We have first the E, that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have A, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord is the B. I'm gonna give you 2 versions of it. The real B, as it is, that's a bar chord here, plays on the second fret with the bar. You bar all strings except from the last E here. So 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. You can also go with the sus version, and I showed you both this original B but also the sus here in the introduction of this tutorial. So what you do with the sus, you just take away this 4th on B and get these 2. In that way you don't have to climb your fingers above each other like this on a very small area. It will be much easier to use the sus version. It doesn't hurt the song at all, really, in my opinion. So this is the sus version. Like I said, just take away this 4th B and get that 2nd B instead here with the bar finger. Much easier. So that's 2 versions of B. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern. The first chord here will be the E. So grab the E, and one strumming around will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So first one down, then small pause, and then down, up, and up, down, up. A couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm here. And you don't have to go all the way up with the downs and ups, especially not the ups. It will be just too much. So just small twists like this with your wrist there to get the top strings down here, the E, B, G or so. So you don't have to go full ups like this, too much, all right? So that is one string around, down, down, up, down, up. You're gonna play in the same way from the beginning till the very end, and the chord progression will be E, 2 string rounds, A, 2, B, whatever version you choose for 2 rounds, then E, 1, and back to B, 1. Like this. E, E, A, B, from the beginning until the very end, and there you have Era Bini Tu. And yeah, I love YouTube. Thank you for supporting me here on this channel, and till next time, play tuned.